What's going on? Ankush Mittal here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make $100 per hour by just drag and drop. Even it's not gonna to take you complete 1 hour. It is just gonna take you half an hour or even less than that. Okay. So if you are very much excited, then smash the like button now. And if you are new to the channel, let me tell you that we do videos on here on the entrepreneurship related videos, business related videos, and making money online related videos. So if you are into those niche, you should go below the video and hit the subscribe button now. And after you subscribe, you can also comment like I have subscribed, so that I can really welcome you to the channel, because I am very much excited that you are now a part of the family. Okay, so without being delayed, let's just start this method. Basically what's the method is, as most of us are affiliate marketer. Okay, if not, then also you do not need to worry. Let's say this is the ClickFunnels. Basically I'm just taking in an example, and this is the opt-in page. Everyone knows what's the opt-in page is. Let me just show you over here. These are the opt-in page. These are so simple to create. You do not need anything to create. Okay, what you need to do, just go to the Fiverr over here. You're on the Fiverr, you're gonna to see that this guy is gonna to create your funnel. Okay, and for $350. Okay, and furthermore, what you need to do, just go on the ClickFunnels and create the funnels, or whatever, it's a landing page, opt-in page, or whatever they are demanding. Okay, but the great part over here is this, that the funnel, that the the ClickFunnels account will be provided by the buyer who is going to provide you service. So literally you do not need to provide over here a single rupee. With just zero investment, you can really make a good amount of money over here. What a crappy zero is this. Okay, so literally you can make any amount of money, and it's bare easy. I'm gonna to show you that it's very much easy how you can do that. What you need to do, just you can see that how easy is this. Okay, you're going to go to the log into the ClickFunnels account of the client, that the client is going to give you password ID or whatever it is, and then you can go in there. You just need to do one thing over here. Just need to upload this picture. The picture will also be given by the buyer, and furthermore you just need to add the text. There will be a lot of templates which will absolutely look like this. You just need to add this text and upload this image, and that's it. That's done. You just need to does this simple work, and opt-in will be ready. Okay, this is also called the landing page, and sometimes some are gonna to create funnels that are very short. Okay, although this is not a funnel, this is an opt-in page. Funnels are like you can say this. Okay, this is not the complete okay, just let me just show you over here on the ClickBank. I'm not gonna to select any product over here. I'm just gonna to show you a funnel. Okay, basically ClickFunnels, Insta page, and even the lead pages has made it so much simple that you can create a funnel or a landing page, opt-in page, or whatever it is within just minutes. You just need to drag and drop. You just need to drag the template and just upload your pictures and add the text, and that's it. Okay, let me just show you over here. We are going to take this product over here, and I'm going to show you what the funnel is. Basically funnel is basically this is called the sales funnel. Basically sales funnel is basically also can be called as the sales page, because on the sales page there is funnel. You are going to tell him everything over here. You are going to tell him everything, and method by step you are going to tell what you are going to provide them, and thereafter how this can be done. Okay, and thereafter you're going to provide what are the benefits of it. So this is basically a sales funnel in which you are going to persuade the customer to buy something from you. So that is why it's called the sales funnel. Step by step you are going to take the customer into a more step forward to buy the product. That is why it is called the sales funnel. And you can see it's literally that much easy. You just need to give a heading over here. Just need to drag a template like this and add a heading over there like this, or whatever the buyer will be telling you, and just add a link over here to the video, and thereafter just need to add some text and some pictures, and that's it, done. You just need to do this. But why are you now you think, why are they going to pay you this much amount? The thing over here is this, that they are very they are a very powerful marketer. They do not have time to spend time on this, because they know that on the on the Fiverr.com or on the Upwork, they can get the good and the professional looking sales pages. Okay, and ClickFunnels and these kinds Insta page or whatever it is, the lead pages, these are this has made the it's so easy and so powerful that their templates are so powerful. You just need to upload the content over here, just add text and pictures, and that's it. And the conversion rate will be high on those templates, because they are been searching for those from years and years. They are in business from years and years, so they know what works and what really do not. So literally over here, let me just show you over the price. Over here you can see this guy is charging over $350, although it's level 1 seller. Okay, this guy is charging over $200, and this is not providing the sales page. This is just I'll fix ClickFunnels for you, I'll be your ClickFunnels guy. This guy is also charging $115. Okay, and literally this work is hardly gonna to take you half an hour. This work, creating an opt-in page, is just a work of simply 10 minutes. Okay, anybody can create an opt-in page. It is just gonna to take 10 minutes for you. If not even 10 minutes, it's that easy. Okay, you can see these are the called opt-in pages. Okay, and sales funnel is also the same in some kind, but they are a bit lengthy, and some more information about the product is given over there. They are a bit lengthy, that's okay. They are paying you, so they want the work, that's okay. Okay, you can see very cheap prices over here. Very good prices. You are going to get very good prices, $50. And he want only a squeeze page funnel. That means he is just gonna to take 5 minutes, and within an hour it just gonna to take you 5 minutes, and you are gonna to make $45. And this guy is also gonna to take just about 5 minutes. There is a very less work. Yeah, this funnel can take about 30 minutes, or even it is gonna to take 1 hour. What's the bad if it is providing you $350? You can you can also charge the same price as they are charging. This guy will hardly take 1 hour and will earn $350. You can do the same thing over here. You just need to take action. I'm telling you, this is the super method. And you can also go to the Upwork. There is the same thing over here. You can see if you want to work in the hour, $175 per hour, $45 per hour, $60 per hour. Although I don't think that this is that much effective as it is in the case of the Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to take action, start taking action, and you will be making a bunch of money. Okay, so that's all guys. If you like this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any of the videos, bam videos, boom videos like this. And even much better, I'm gonna to make much better videos than this. So thank you guys and have a great day.